Hey guys, welcome back to Chiara DIY What. Today we are talking tools. Okay, so before we get into the tool video, you know I gotta do it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also, make sure you share the video. So today we're going to be talking about the 8 tools that every DIYer should have. So the video will be titled 8 tools that every DIYer should have. So I'm going to go through the tools that I think that are essential to starting out, you know, DIYing as a beginner and even as an experienced person. These are tools that every DIYer should have. So let's get into it. Let's talk tools. Tool number 1. Oh wait, you guys are asking about these? Okay, these are the first tool. These are the first tool. Wear safety glasses. It's so important. I've had things fly, splat, all types of stuff, dust, everything. So tool number 1, safety glasses. Tool number 2, a glue gun. Now, this is what I used to use, and this is like my handy dandy trusty glue gun. I use this for everything. But now I've upgraded to this one. And this one is electronic, so it's run by battery, and this one is like plug-in. So if you're just starting out, definitely use this. It's perfectly fine. It does the same thing. This one is it's cordless. That's the number 1 thing. And it's hotter. But definitely if you're just starting out, use a regular one from a craft store, Walmart, Target, probably like $5 to $10. It does the job as well. Tool number 3, a paintbrush. Now, when I say paintbrush, I mean like a really good paintbrush. I've had experiences with like 99-cent paintbrushes or like $2 paintbrushes, and they haven't been so great. I've had projects where the bristles have chipped off into the paint, or you just aren't able to reuse them. So that's why for this one, I'm saying get a good paintbrush that maybe costs like $10, maybe costs $15, maybe costs $20, but at least you can reuse them and it won't make your project look bad. So tool number 3 is a good paintbrush. Tool number 4, a good pair of scissors. Now, there are scissors that cost little to nothing, and they aren't the best scissors ever. Like these scissors were $20, and that sounds like a lot of money. I'm not even kidding. But when you cut through different things, they cut perfectly. They cut nice and symmetrical. Everything is perfect. So it might be a little pricey, but these are good scissors. So get good scissors. Tool number 5. A ruler. Okay, so rulers are really important, only because I know math's not everybody's subject, but with the ruler, with certain projects, most projects, if you're taking measurements, or if you want something to be symmetrical, or if you want something to be even, just to make it look good, you want to take measurements and you want to have a good ruler. Sometimes I use a tape measure, sometimes I'll use a measuring tape. They're different if you don't know. So just get something that takes measurements so that everything looks even and nice and symmetrical. A ruler, a sander, a sander, a sander, a sander. Tool number 6 is a sander. Okay, so this is one of my favorite tools, and this is brand new because the other one was really, really dusty and old because I used it so much. This is one of my favorite tools to use when I'm doing DIYs. It's a sander. It makes everything smooth and nice and just a nice clean finish. If you're doing a project that's doing repurposing furniture or wood, using wood, building wood workshopping, whatever you're doing with wood or, you know, anything like that, get you a sander. Tool number 7, a drill. Now this is an essential tool for DIYers because you need to take stuff apart before you start the project. Certain things, like if you're doing furniture or anything that has screws, you're going to need a drill and drill bits to take it apart and then put it back together. And it's harder with, you know, the manual screwdriver. Well, it's time for that anyway. So get yourself an electric drill. Last but certainly not least, because I could go on and on and on and on and on and on and on about things that you need while DIYing. But for this particular video, we're going to stop at this last tool, which is a circular saw. There's so many different types of saws that you can use, that you would like to use, that you probably should invest in. But to start with, I think a circular saw is perfect because it's, you know, smaller, it's inexpensive for the most part, and it gets the job done as far as smaller DIY projects, smaller building projects, smaller woodworking projects. There's a jigsaw, there's a miter saw, but my personal favorite is a circular saw. And for that reason, I would say that this is an essential tool to have because you can literally, it's cordless, which is always amazing, and you can literally just zoop the wood and you're good to go, and that's it. A circular saw. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. Tell me any of the tools that you think are essential that I forgot to mention, and make sure you share this video, and also click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.